Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to install Node.js in Windows 11. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to google.com, and from here just simply search for Node.js download. And from here just simply click on the first one over here. And now from here guys, just simply go for pre-built installer. And now from here you will have an option to select what version that you want. So if you want the current, you can just simply go over here and now just simply select whether you are using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. So as of now, the current version only available on Mac OS and Windows. And from here, just make sure to select a bit as well. And now you can just simply click on download node over here, the green icon. And from here, just simply select allocation and click on save. And now another option that you have is just simply go to the home page over here, the top left corner of the screen, and you will see the same version over here, download node.js, and it will be the same thing. So now guys, go ahead and open up the file that we just downloaded. And now from here, as you can see, this will install the Node.js. So just simply click on next. And now click on this and click on next. Now just simply select allocation and click on next. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and go for next over here. And from here, you can install Chocolatey. But if you don't want that, you can just simply click on next. And from here, you should be able to click on install over here. And after that, it will install into your Windows. And from there, you should be able to install it. As you can see, it is successfully installed. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.